How to make iPhone vibrate in silent mode. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to find Sounds and Haptics. Now tap on Sounds and Haptics option. Here, look for the Haptics option and click on it. Here you can select any options between Always Play and Play in silent mode. Once you set that, go back to the main settings menu. Now look for notifications and tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on phone. Here click on the sounds. At the top of the screen, click on the haptics. Now select the haptics that you want to set when the iPhone vibrates. Select your preferred sound. So whenever you receive a call or a message, the iPhone will vibrate even in silent mode. That's it. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.